This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on your Capital One account. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, locate the section for payouts or transfers. This is usually found in the main menu or under Account Services. Step 3. Select Payout Amount. Choose the amount you wish to request for payout. Make sure to review your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. Step 4. Choose your payout method. Select your preferred method for receiving the payout. Options may include direct deposit to your bank account, a check mailed to your address, or other available methods. Step 5. Confirm and submit your request. Review all the details of your payout request, including the amount and method. Once confirmed, submit your request and wait for a confirmation message. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts from your Capital One account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.